Hey guys, we had a huge leak. I'm not going to go in there because it's so noisy, but we have thousands of dollars worth of repairs to do to our house. We have moved out into an Airbnb. We have an excellent mold mitigation company and rebuild company that the insurance is probably going to pay for. So we're very blessed. But one of the first things I did when that happened is I came out and I took my tower gardens down because it's just a rotten time of the year to be growing. We are so hot. You can grow, and a lot of times it can be fun to grow right now, but it's not fun when your house is full of mold and you have other things to do. So I took them down, and you know what? That's okay. Over the years, growing my tower gardens, growing my garden, I have learned I love my gardens. I love my annual vegetables, but there's times when you just got to take them down. There's surgeries, there's health issues, there's crises like we're in the middle of right now. Just take them down. Don't even think twice about it, because you know what? You love yourself. Love yourself enough to listen to yourself and know when you got to take it down. And it's going to be there. Look, there's no weeds. There's nothing I have to worry about here. I'm just going to clean these pots up, and I will put the tower garden back together in a couple of weeks, maybe a month, when I'm ready to deal with it. The fall gardening season is coming up. I still actually have some stuff growing, like my perennials, and my whole perennial garden way out there is pretty much on autopilot right now, so I thank God for that. But as far as my annuals, no big deal. I've got these pots cleaned up here. I've got more pots that I will clean up. They're soaking right now in citric acid. They'll be fine. Like, they can sit here for weeks if they need to. And then I'll clean them up and I'll put it back up. So I just want to say, please don't beat yourself up, people. Don't garden out of guilt. Don't stress. Just take the dang towers down and give yourself a breath and deal with the crises, and then come back. And that's the beautiful thing. If I grew a regular garden, I would have to be dealing with weeds and redoing all the soil and all that. The towers are so simple. I can get them up and going in a day, less than a day, a morning, and I'll have my garden going again. And I'll be harvesting lettuce 3 weeks later. So you guys love yourself. Please take care of yourselves.